meet again. Natakot na naman ba kita?
Natakot? Bakit ako matatakot? Ano, gusto mo umiyak ako, sumigaw? Why? Does that happen in all your dates?
Oh, yeah, they were shocked. And to think these were all mature women. Hindi kagaya mo. Trying to suppress fear. I didn't realize I was going to be dating a brave little girl.
Little girl? Little girl pala tingin mo sa akin. So that means you should be nice to me. Hindi mo dapat ako tinatakot.
So inaamin mo nga natatakot ka sa akin.
I didn't say that. Ang nakakatakot yung ugali mo. I know, you invited me here, you're not even polite. Buti pa si Midnight Phantom, hindi siya nagpapakita sa akin, pero he's always nice.
Excuse me, sir. Sabi ko na po ba?
I have something on my face. If you're gonna keep looking at me like that, you might as well take a picture. It'll last longer. O kaya, bibigyan na lang kita ng picture. Will you stop that?
Stop what?
That! Yung parang tinitignan mo ka na paano wala akong suot.
Nadja, I'm not mean enough to even do something like that.
Are you like this in all of your dates?
Depends. Depends kung sino kasama ko. Nagsisisi ka ba? That you asked for this?
Not yet, but if you keep this up...
Then you're going home to mommy to cry.
No, not at all. In fact, I don't even think you're all that mean. Besides, winarningan na ako ng daddy ko about guys like you. Yung guys na pa-mysterious, pero front lang naman nila yun eh. And I quote my dad, "It takes a real man to know and face himself." Yung pinakamahirap yung harapin nila yung sarili nila. And you know what? My dad was the best example of what he would